Hi, my project name is Airbnb. Airbnb stands for air condition, bed and breakfast. My project uniqueness has difference. Let's talk about it. Air bed and breakfast to become Airbnb. This San Francisco based startup offers you someone's home as a place to stay instead of a hotel. Looks somewhat on a same business as Oyo, but the former doesn't owns any property, instead act as an immediately between those who want to rent out space and those who are looking for the space to rent. Well enough of it, we understood what is the data all about and where it came from. Excited much less deep dive. Here are the some data and there are some features about data like ID, host ID, latitude, longitude, price, minimum nights, number of reviews per month, calculated host listings, counts, availability, seats. There are some data. Clearly from the heat map you can see the correlation between different features that can affect a Airbnb listings. Guess what? There are correlation among host ID to reviews per month and availability 365. Also there is noticeable correlation between minimum nights to number of listings counts and availability 365 price. Also shows some correlation with availability 365 host listings count, and we can move forward. Here Manhattan has more listed properties with entire home apartment around 27% of total listed properties, followed by Brooklyn with around 19.6%. Private rooms are more in Brooklyn as in 20.7% of the total enlisted properties, followed by Manhattan with 16.3% of them, while 6.9% of private rooms are from Queens. Very few of that total listed have shared rooms listed on Airbnb, where there is negligible or almost very rare shared rooms in Staten Island and Bronx. We can infer that Brooklyn, Queens, Bronx has more private rooms types, while Manhattan, which has the highest number of listings in entire NYC, has more entire home apartments room types. We can move forward. Here the distribution of price across Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, Bronx and Staten Islands. Instead of checking distribution for each categories one by one, we can simply a Boolean plot for getting the overall statistics for each groups, but we will get to know the median of the price in group set. Here there are some locations like hill areas, Brooklyn's, Manhattan's, Queens, Staten Islands, Bronx. There are some hill areas where all customers want to live, they want to stay here most. You can see Staten Islands seem to be the more available throughout the years to more than 300s. On average, these listings are available to around 10 days, 210 days every year, followed by Bronx, where every listings are available for 150 on average year. Thank you. This is all about my project.